Hey, it's Patrick from J&P Cycles. We're gonna give you guys a look at Vance and Hines' brand new set of mufflers, the Torker 450s. And these are gonna be available for all you M8 guys and twin cam guys, but specifically, they had the Milwaukee 8 in mind when they designed this 4.5-inch muffler. Now it's gonna be available in chrome and black. You guys see the black set here with this brand new style of end cap. When you get these in black, you're gonna get the black on black with the brand new Vance and Hines logo put there on the top, which is really cool. But if you get them in chrome, you're also gonna get a chrome end cap. So black on black, chrome on chrome. Now, the one thing M8s have always struggled with a little bit, especially with a stock header, is sound. They're huffing through that catalytic converter, it gets to the mufflers, the bike can be kind of quiet. Some guys aren't always happy with the sound of their aftermarket muffler with a stock M8 header. That's where you're gonna look at the Torker 450. It has the largest louvered baffle Vance and Hines has ever made. They're really looking to give you guys a good sound with that stock header system back there. So we're gonna take this, we'll throw in the dyno. I know everybody's gonna wanna know what's it sound like. So we're gonna give you guys a listen to that right now. As per usual from Vance and Hines, performance is key. This is the best performing Vance and Hines mufflers to date. It has the largest louvered baffle Vance and Hines has ever made, which is very impressive to say the least. And it can be very tough to make horsepower after those catalytic converters. Once again, Vance and Hines has figured out a way to do that and give you great sound altogether. As always, if you have any questions, drop us a comment and go work on those motorcycles.